Hey there, this is Jason here from Forex Trading Watchdog, and we're looking at the pound dollar on the 4-hour chart. As you can see right up here, the 4-hour. And we last looked at the last trade we did. It was a double top, and sure enough, whammo, down it went. And now we're looking at the previous double bottom divergence, which is basically right here. And yes, it's not perfect. Okay, it's off by a few pips, but hey, who's begged to differ with that, right? So anyway, there's the double bottom. Okay, that happened last week, and here is the low and the lower and the higher low of indicator of choice, which is the OSMA, my favorite divergence tool. And the entry was right in here. Okay, so up a daisy we went, right? So if we measure from this candle, on this opening of this candle at 1600, okay, our stop would have been right there, 60 pips. And in the first 8 hours, it went up 60 pips and hit T1. And if you held on to it, well, it went and done your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio right to the top here of this week on Tuesday. The trade happened midweek. The entry happened midweek last week and just basically ended today if you hit your T2 target. Okay, so now let's draw Fibonacci on there. And we always take it from the most recent high because we did a buy. We take it from the recent swing high. Come over here, you. To the recent swing low, which is right here. Okay, so as you can see, from that sell-off of the week before, it rallied right up. If you would have drawn in, let me just remove that now. Okay, so we would have drawn it beforehand. Okay, so say you want to trade Fibonacci, you would have put it from this high, first of all, to this low to see where it went, right, and what it bounced off of. And then when it made this new low here, okay, and started going up, this is where you would have dragged down your Fibonacci tool to this low, okay? And then you're waiting to see, okay, so where's it going to retrace to, right? So you can sell off of any of these levels or buy, depending what you want to do. So anyway, it rallied up from this low right to the 50%. Came back down again to the zero almost. Then rallied straight up, and I mean straight up to the 78.6, okay? And I'm not making these up, these levels. I just draw the tool on there, and you see what all the magic that's created with Fibonacci. It's just amazing how if you put it on there beforehand, you'll see price bounce off these levels. And like I told you many times, the three that really matters, the 38.2, the 50, and the 61.8. So anyway, bounced off the 78.6, came back down. Look where it bounced off of again. Well, not again, but this time. The 38.2, and then they just bought right off of it and took it right up to the previous high and higher, as you can see. So anyway, thanks for watching my trade analysis. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy from Trading Watchdog. We like to trade the dog. The dog likes to watch over the trades.